This is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius with a quick tip for faculty and staff. In this video, we discuss how to set up email rules in Web Outlook. The steps are similar to creating email rules in Desktop Outlook. Right-click on the message you want to create a rule for. In the menu that appears, click on Create Rule. Then give the rule an appropriate name. For example, I will name this one Chronicle of Higher Ed. You can see as well that Outlook has already given me a few conditions. However, I want any email from the Chronicle of Higher Education to trigger this rule. To do that, we need to delete a few of these conditions as they are not needed, specifically the last two conditions, and it was sent to ... and it includes these words in the subject ... To do that, click on the X to the left of the condition you want to delete. Outlook won't let me delete this last condition. It was received from ... the Chronicle of Higher Education, but that's fine. It's what I want anyway. Below the conditions is the Do All of the Following section. Basically, what do we want Outlook to do once this is triggered? By default, it has Move the message to a folder, and then select a folder. This is exactly what I want to do. So I will click on Select One on the left and choose a folder. If I don't have a folder already for this, I can right-click on one that I have already made and select New Folder. Then I need to click on it and click on OK. To have Outlook do other things with this message, I can click on Add Action. Finally, I need to click on OK in the upper left corner to save this new rule. A warning message will appear, read it carefully, and then click on OK. Next time a message fitting the conditions appears in your inbox, Outlook will automatically move it to the specified folder. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.